Morning, just in from Brickright here. So, silt trap. So this is the silt trap. So what we've got here now, so this is continuation of the video from the soakaway we were doing. So, what this is, when this isn't in, the water will go into there. So the theory of this is, so all the water now from the pipe will go into there. The silt trap sits in this section here, in there like that. So all the water, all the silt will go into here, and then any excess water then will come out the outlet. And can you just see that hole in there, Fred? You get a close up on that hole in there. So that's what we're connecting into the soakaway. And then what the client can do is we get a lid on here, we'll cut this down, we get a manhole cover on top of there that he can unscrew. And then periodically he can just put his hand down, lift this up, and then in here, in this filter, will be all the silt. So we can empty that, clean that out. It's a heavy duty plastic, look, nice and strong. And then you can put that back in there, wait for the silt to mount up or fill up again, and then keep emptying it. But obviously you've got to keep emptying it, keep doing it periodically. I wouldn't have thought you have to do it every 2 weeks, probably every couple of months or so. But it just stops that soakaway that we've put in there, you've seen on previous videos. It stops that soakaway filling up with all this silt coming down off the drive and everywhere now from the sky and all the rest of it, and clogging up the soakaway. So I think it's a really good principle, really good idea. So what we're doing now, we're just connecting this up. So I've already put some of the, what we use is drain lube. So this is Osma soluble drain lubricant. A lot of the guys use fairly liquid. Don't see much wrong with that, to be honest. Although I think I have heard that they do say that I don't know whether it is true, but I have heard that the fairly liquid, there's something to the plastic seal around here. And what we find with this is when we've done jobs in the past, when you put this on, the actual proper Osma drain lube or a similar drain lube, and when you try to get it off, you know, if you go back and you need to take your drainage apart, when you try to take it off, it seems to be stuck and it seems to not come off. Whereas if you put the very liquid on it, it tends to come off very easy. So I don't know whether the joints would come loose underground or what, or whether I'm just barking up the wrong tree. Maybe somebody else could leave in the comments below and let us know. So if you're doing a drainage job, lube your drain up. Now that's a bit dirty, so my bad on that. Lube that up on there, and then to push it in, you just push that on top of there like that, and then you're ready then for the next one. So we'll set this all up. Now we've dug this out, we've got 100mm chippings in there for this to sit on, and then we'll show you some more soon. So see you on the next bit in a minute. Right, so we've done the previous bit now, so what we're going to do now is we've just put 100mm chippings underneath the pipe to lay it on, for the bedding layer, to lay the pipe on. So we've connected that up there. So we've got these connectors you can see for each end that twist, so you can alter the angle. They twist like that, and every time you twist it, it alters the angle to be able to put the pipe in. So they're really good, they are. So we've got that connected up there, got it connected up to here. So if we come down here now, look, right? We've also got it connected going in to the actual soakaway in there, the Fraser's showing you. And then if you have a little look down in there, so that's the silt trap. So water will go into there, fill that up. Any silt coming down there now will go into that white bucket. And then there's a handle on it, so you just basically hook it out, or put your hand down. We've got to obviously cut this off and just empty that out now periodically. So we'll fill all this in down here now, in and around here with the chippings we've got there, look. Get those chippings in and around the pipe, and then we'll put the earth back on top, sort the wires out. And then if you look up there where Brad has previously taped up that black pipe with all the duct tape on it, that section there will be used to be cut down, and then we'll get eco drains then going across the drive, which will connect into that, and then it'll flow down into that. But remember, under where the digger is behind you there, look, Frey, we've got another French drain connected into this as well. So what I was going to do, where that bit of pipe is there that Brad put the black pipe there with the duct tape on it, I was going to put like a bottle gully in there, And it's the same principle as this, but on a smaller scale. So like a back inlet gully, so when that filled up with water, you could get your hand in it and clean it out, you know, with like your marigolds on, and clean that out. But this is a much more durable, a much better system, you know, much more professional system then that we got going on there. So I think this is going to prolong the life of the soakaway now. So there's a series of these soakaway videos, 1 to 4, if you want to have a look about doing your own soakaway. So have a look. So what we'll do now, like I said, we'll fill all this in with chippings, put the earth back on top, get this kept down at a later date. We've got a lid to go on there, and when the drive's fitted and the eco drains are in, the soakaway's ready to rock and roll. So good luck with your soakaway. Cheers, thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because it keeps the videos coming, keeps us happy, and everyone's happy. See you soon.